Good morning. I am Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and we're having a gorgeous day here today. I was reading out on my deck for a while, and then I came in and I thought I would work on some kind of sort of a surreal collage. And I have all of these components, but unfortunately they are not all going to fit. So I think I'm going to have these two as a separate collage, but I have this really beautiful colorful chair, and I thought we could have her sitting on it because she's definitely sitting, but she has her arm going around something, so I thought, well, what if we did that and he could be standing there and she's got her arm around him. I think that's kind of cute. So I think that is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to kind of clean up the edges a little bit and find a background, and then we'll figure out how to glue all this onto the background. Well, I'll tell you what, I am getting hot. I have a feeling it's getting hotter outside. But I think I'm going to use this as my background. They could be sitting on the beach, and yeah, so he can go like right there. And maybe I'll make some of this coming over. And I think that'll be cute. Well, I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're happy and healthy and safe. And I hope you're having a beautiful day. Just as I am. It's a beautiful day. Let's see. Actually, maybe I could cut some off of here to put in front. I don't know. I really do kind of wish I could include this too, but there's just not enough room. Put him in a different one. Let's see if I can just cut like a green square out here and glue it to the other side. See how that would look. I could tape it to this side. I think that would look okay if I, especially the line in the right position. Yeah, I think that would look fine. Let's see now. I can tell that it moved. So let's do this. We shall figure that out. Not exactly what I had in mind, but it'll do. It stuck down before I realized it. Okay, let's get some glue down on here. Although maybe not yet, because I might want to cut some of these leaves to go over them. So I probably should at least glue my chair down, I think, or her in the chair. And I can't really put any in front of her face though, that's the thing. What's your favorite hot weather drink? Mine is unsweetened iced tea. It's been my favorite for a while. So let's just try cutting out some of these. Don't want the blue, but I think it's going to be pretty hard not to have some blue in there. Here, let's try these. Oops. Yeah, you can see that I got the blue too. I didn't get close enough. Let's see. There's one. I can maybe cut some of this off with the scissors. I'm new at this, so I'm not super great at doing this kind of cut work. Where's the other one? Didn't I do another one? There. And let's do this one. I wonder if I should cut this one up further, actually. Get some of that blue off. I think maybe I need a sharper knife. That won't go. So I think this is going to be as good as it gets for me at this point in my journey. I'm wondering if I should have just her thumb over him, like this. Maybe that's good. She's really got her arm around him. I don't know. That looks good too. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue the chair on top of this. This one's supposed to pop out too. Okay, so I think it needs to be higher though. I don't know. We'll see. How far up is this going? Okay, so I'm really nervous about doing this because I don't want to screw it up. This one should be popping out. There. So there we have that. It's perfect. We can put her here. Move it over just a little bit. So she's there. And then I'm going to go ahead and glue her to the chair. And then I will put the chair down. If you have any tips, let me know. Okay, so we're doing this. And there she is on her chair. She's got palm leaves around her. And I want to cover up that hole too I just made. So that's like that. I think I'm gonna go ahead and glue this down, except for not her arm. Everybody else makes this look so easy. I don't think it's easy. Okay, so I'm gonna hopefully get it in the right spot. Okay, so we need to cover that one hole, whoops, and not have the little things over her face, which I just, oh my gosh. Okay, guess one can be over her side. Okay, looks like I'm gonna be cutting the bottoms off of the, oh, I just barely covered that hole. Okay, and now I'll have to glue these on, but I'm gonna glue this one on now after I glue it to the page. I want to make sure the holes are all glued down. Okay, and now him. And he's going just like this. Okay. Yeah, he's going just like that. Closer to the hand. There we go. There's where he's going. All right, let's get him down. I see I kind of wrinkled the chair leg a little bit. All right, Mr. Peanut. No, he's not Mr. Peanut. Mr. Peanut was a peanut. He's a peanut M&M. Okay, let's get this in the right spot. Yes, let's do. All right, I think we got that down. Now, she needs some more glue, I guess. Oh, I forgot I didn't put that much glue on her. I unfortunately have a glob of glue there, which I guess couldn't be helped. Not with me being such a beginner at this. Alright, and now I'm going to take this away. And we'll glue this down. And I'll just cut off, now you can't see, I have to cut off these little edges of the chair. But let's go ahead and glue this down. I so far like this brand of glue. I've never tried art glitter glue, but I like this one. So, and I can even put a even thinner tip on it if I wanted to. So far so good. And let's get this on the page. Oh boy. There. That's pretty darn good. Okay, so now I'm just going to glue down these little pieces. So I would like to get more into this kind of collaging. Surreal with, you know, little cutouts and stuff that makes them look more realistic. Oh, jeez. So we've got Marissa Hargitay, is that how you say her name? And M&M Peanut M&M. Oh, and there's a bubble in the tropics. Let's see, I think I can salvage. Maybe not. Guess we're going to have a little bubble there. Put some glue in there. And, oh dear. Now we have a wrinkle. She's got a wrinkly hair. Alright, get this down better. You can't see what I'm doing. I have to raise my camera up a little, I guess, for bigger books. So we're just going to cut the bottom off here. Okay, so that's my attempt at a little bit of a surreal collage. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you stay happy, healthy, and safe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Bye-bye.